Today is day 10 of me doing the 22 push-ups to raise awareness to the fact that 22 American veterans will commit suicide today. Each day, I've encouraged someone to join the challenge. I've also encouraged them to challenge people with real influence. I stand here at the Middle Tennessee Veterans Cemetery, and today I challenge Mr. Donald J. Trump to participate in the 22 push-up challenge. Sir, you say you support our veterans in just about every speech you make, and I appreciate you for that. Our veterans are some of the best America has to offer. If you want to make America great again, we must start with those who have put their lives on the line to protect America's greatness. Sir, there are 238 days until inauguration. At 22 dead per day for 238 days, that means more than 5,000 veterans will die by their own hand before you can take action, if you are in fact elected. Neither they nor we can afford to wait that long. So respectfully, sir, I challenge you to put your muscle where your mouth is. Obviously, at your age, 22 push-ups could be a challenge too far. But I have no doubt that you could do some of them, and if you're unable to complete the 22 push-ups, then invite your staff to finish the job. Sir, you're well known for your generosity across the decades. Please do this now for those men and women who you say are closest to your heart. Please help us raise awareness for our service members who are battling the demon in a way only you can do. The organization 22kill.com is raising the bar and creating a culture that lets our veterans know their sacrifice was not in vain. Hoo-yah!
Begin. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22, sir.
Hoo-yah, you can do it.